Hello, this is Mark from I Am Organic Gardening, located Zone 6B today, and I want to share some great news with you. Last week we had just immense storms, and that's been going on for the last 5 weeks. So the silver lining, as someone wrote on my comment section, this is the silver lining. We have two enormous rows of raspberries. Row number one is here, that's 200 feet long, and the other one's here, which is pretty much in front of you, that's another 200 feet long. And we have just a raspberry explosion right now. And I want to show you how full they are with raspberries this year. Just amazing. And it's time to start picking them. This is only one side here, and I'll let you glance at that for a second, and you can just see how beautiful and how immense they are. Just perfect. They're going to be on someone's table within the next couple hours, or in their freezer, and just amazing. And they are so delicious. And yes, I've been eating about maybe 4 or 5 handfuls already when doing this video. So I placed 15 of these quart trays inside a larger tray inside the wagon, and they're a very large size. People enjoy them because they can buy in quantity, and I give them a really good price on it. So I'll fill all these up, and then I'll come back and then repeat the process. I don't usually like to carry more trays. Through experience, they bounce around a little bit too much, and I don't want to lose the product. So last quart, it's been about a little over an hour, and I have to deliver this to a restaurant, and it's about just a little bit less than $100 worth of berries here that I'll get paid for. So it's worth spending an hour every day to go out and pick raspberries, and they're just delicious. I would highly suggest, if you can plant raspberries in your area, there's two types. There's June bearing and there's ever bearing, and these are ever bearing. I'll get another crop over this, like probably, depending on weather, end of September, October. They're even sweeter then. I have some yellow raspberries too that are growing on the other part of the farm, and they'll be ready to pick in about another week or so also. They're very sweet. A lot of people like them and a lot of people dislike them. It's all about taste. But you can see here, like again, if you can plant these, they're definitely worth making money off of if you're on a homestead and looking for an extra income. They're very easy to reach. No maintenance whatsoever. I don't prune them. Basically just take the edge here and just cut it down with a brush bull, and when they grow too much in the field. And these have been up for about, let's say, 4 years now, and I didn't pay anything for them when I first received them. I started with exactly 100 plants, and there's probably 10,000 stalks right now, or even more. I don't know, I'm just kind of guessing off the top of my head, but it's so worth it. And you don't have to spray them, you don't have to fertilize them. There's zero maintenance to them. They actually rejuvenate the soil. They are a perennial root that will come back year after year, and you'll just enjoy them. In case you have bad weather, like I did early in the season, this is just a good emergency fund that you can draw from. And if I can get out here every day, which I do for about 2 or 3 hours, I make around $200 or $300 a day. And again, it's a short crop. It lasts about 2 weeks long, so I will be doing that. And it's just quick and easy. Again, the restaurants love them, and that's where I'm going to drop these off. And it's over the years you build up customers. Now, I know they can buy them cheaper somewhere else. I stick with my price. And what it comes down to is nothing but pure sweet taste of being fresh. And if the restaurant customer wants to know where they come from, the chef or the owner will tell them to go to my YouTube channel, and they'll see this video, and they know I'm a certified organic farm. So all is good, and everybody enjoys them. Just a good way to share information on YouTube to these other places. Thank you so very much for watching today's video. If you liked the video, please hit the like button, and also if you can share with your friends, that would be greatly appreciated. I will see you again shortly with another video.